Hey everyone, Ed here. Just wanted to talk about the best places to find microcap stock news online. Now, microcaps are a different animal in comparison to the big boards, your big board stocks being American Stock Exchange, New York Stock Exchange, NASDAQ, etc. They're a different animal because of their extreme volatility. And it's important to obtain that news quickly and try to obtain that news before the masses do. And then that should enable one to A, enter a position while the price per share is still low, or B, exit a position quickly before the price per share plummets because of bad news or anticipated negative news. So there's several sources for information that I use. The first source that I always use is a forum. It's investorshub.com. The reason I use that first is that the power of social media there, it enables the most current news to be explored. And notice I said explored because any information on the internet should be deemed inaccurate until one does their own due diligence and confirms whether or not the information is correct. But the advantage of it is that if it is correct, it enables someone to have a jump on everyone else and either buy or sell based upon that news after they confirm whether or not the news that they obtained by way of a social media outlet was accurate or not. So that's the first step, Investors Hub. My second step, I'll take what I find in Investors Hub, whatever's allegedly the current news. I'll go to a site such as otcmarkets.com, and I'll go to the news on otcmarkets.com, and I'll look for official press releases that the company has released and see, do those match up with with the claims that are being made within the forums. And then I'll even take I'll take the due diligence process a step further, and I'll go to the share structure information. Now, share structure is just as important as news because it indicates whether or not a microcap stock should be able to move rapidly or slowly. If the share structure is poor, regardless of how awesome that news is, it's likely not going to move quickly at all, or at all, for that matter. So beyond that, I'll also check out other social media tools. Now, one of the best tools that I found recently is Stock Certified. Now, Stock Certified is a membership community. It helps microcap stock traders like you and I with the due diligence process. A really great tool, and I highly recommend the Stock Certified